So today we are visiting Halapak. Halapak is in Bamburi,
Okay.
and
Hello,
this is in the
hello.
afternoon. It was after I had a tour of Mombasa town. I did this video and I'm going to link it up there. So guys, a tip when going to Halapak, make sure you come here in the afternoon because that's when most of the activity happens, that is feeding the animals, and you're going to enjoy the show of them feeding the animals, and also you can participate in the feeding, especially the giraffes. So let's get started and see what we have in Harlow Park. Welcome to this channel and this video.
Over the hills and far from mine, she's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side.
Halapak is a home to a variety of animals, including giraffes, snakes, crocodiles, buffaloes, hippos, antelopes, as well as other small animals like the monkeys, turtles, tortoise. Yeah, so very many guys. So when you come here, you can view the snakes. So right now you are viewing the snakes. Then afterwards, we are going to feed the giraffes because giraffes feeding time is almost.
Over the hills and far from mine, she's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side.
On seeing this tree, I remembered the spiritual tree. I think it was called the Tree of Souls in the Avatar movie. So if you watch this movie, you know this tree. So it was so awesome, reminding me of the movie and how they used to come to pray there to Ewa, as they used to call their god. So beautiful tree. And do you think this tree here has some spiritual powers or some? Look at how these roots, I don't know it's the roots or where they are coming from. They look just like the one in the movie. Let me know, let me in the comment section. What do you think about this tree? I think I lost the clear photo I took of the name of the tree. If I find it, I will attach it here and we find more about this tree. Giraffes are fed twice in the day at 11 a.m. and at 3 p.m. It's already 3 p.m. and we're already here feeding the giraffes. Look at the beautiful flooring of this area. The pads, those circles, they are so beautiful. And another tip, guys, be ready to walk a lot while here. So come with comfortable shoes, because when you are coming from the giraffes feeding, you go straight to hippos feeding. Then from hippos feeding, you go to feed the crocs. Now you're almost feeding the hippos here.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her the heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into your side.
In this part of the park, we have hippos, buffaloes, antelopes, and you will also see monkeys all over this place. So as these hippos, you see, when they are feeding, the monkeys will come here and feed as well. Look at this big mouth of the hippo and how it looks. So it's so huge, and this monkey is about scared. It's somehow scared, but it is still going to pick the pellets and eat. Look at how it is doing it. Quickly, and runs away. And the hippo looks like it can bite the head of the monkey. Okay, now we headed to feed the crocodile, and as we go, can you see how this place is cool? And Nature Park, Hala Park has also a walking area whereby you can walk in the forest. It's another sister park where they have nature trail. You can bike and you pay 250 shillings to do that. So this place is so cool. I was feeling so stress relieved when I was here because of the nature. It's so green, so beautiful. It's so relaxing. So let's go see the crocodiles and feed them.
Come on, move it on. I said, baby,
Look at how this one is resting as if it is already dead, opening its mouth. You can't even think it is breathing. Wow, these crocodiles. There are so many and so big. Others are on the other side, and they're quite huge. And look at how why do they like swim with their mouths open? Their mouths are open, so you're waiting for the feeding, which will happen just in a few.
Come on. Said, babe. I said, babe. Oh, honey. Come along. You gotta feel it. Yeah, you gotta move along. Gotta feel it, feel it, feel it, feel you gotta feel it, feel it, feel it, feel you gotta feel it. Oh, that way, gotta move along. Baby, gotta move along. I said, baby, you gotta move along. I said, honey, take it real slow.
Crocodile feeding is a show that happens in 10 minutes. So if you miss it, you're late, you miss it. So make sure you are there on time and follow your guide. Don't let your guide leave you, because if they leave you, you're going to miss it. It's timed. It's timed. At 4:30 exactly, they feed the crocodiles, and if you come at 4:40 or 4:45, it is over.
I said, honey, you make it feel slow, oh. You gotta groove on, you gotta groove on.
So guys, if you wish to come here, it's only 500 shillings, Kenyan shillings per head per adult, and 200 Kenyan shillings for children. So it was quite interesting being here, and kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not, for more travel and adventure videos. Subscribe, like my videos, comment in the comment section to support me. Bye bye, and see you in my next one.
Come along, you gotta feel it, yeah, you gotta